as to be fair to all concerns.
Titus Gamau uria wikene na ritwa ringi Takatito atungitio kioho kia miaka 15 thutha wake kunyitikana na mahitia ma kuraga Kenneth Kimani itura-ini ria Githurai 45 guku Nairobi.
Police officer who performs official duties or exercise police powers should perform such duties or exercise such powers in a manner that is lawful.
Mucirithania James Wakiaga ni wokinyaniirie u akiuga Kimani ndagiriirwo gukua na njira iria akuire nayo.
No police officer has the right to take away the life of any citizen of the Republic of Kenya or those residing there.
Miaka 12 hareo 15 egukorwo njera na ingi 3 ari kioho kia nja no akimurikwo ni thirikari.
I have come to a conclusion that the sentences passed ought to be a stern warning and act as a deterrent to the convict and his fellow officers against unlawful use or misuse of firearms.
No mucirithania Wakiaga akiuga miaka 4 ni iria Katito akoretwo njera hindi ya guthikiririo gwa cira ucio na kugwe guikara njera kahinda-ini ka miaka 8. Igoti-ini riu mucirithania James Wakiaga ni arutite watho ati cira wa Philip Onyancha wambiririe guthikiririo weru. Onyancha ni mundurume uria weyumiririe kuga ni oragete andu 19 na riu cira ucio guthikiririo ringi kuma kiambiriria. Mucirithania Wakiaga augete ati mucirithania uria watuite cira ucio ndarumireire mitaratara iria yagiriire.
Guilty is no less than from the conviction of the innocent.
Girifotera Inoro TV, Ditago Gathoni Wajihia.
Earlier, an unfair trial, the trial under consideration was